Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So I welcome you all on this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So on this channel, we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So open Google Play Store. Let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN hub and to help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and also enhance on your online activities. And this app, it is called Kid VPN. So you search for Kid VPN. And among the presented, you pick this one. This is the app icon. You install it on your device, and after installing it, you must set up the app so that it can work. And to set up the app, you must open it. So you tap on open, and the app will take you to its home screen. And when you reach in the app home screen, you must set it up. So first of all, you are required to update the app resources. So you tap on the update button, and from here you click on online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can work as it secures your connection. And after updating the app, you are required to pick a server right here. Pick any server you prefer among the presented. Choosing a server near to your location can improve on the speed of the connection. And choosing auto select server will help the app to automatically choose the best performing server in your region. So you pick any server, or you can pick a random server, or you can pick auto server, whatever you prefer. But I recommend you pick auto server, as the app will choose the server automatically. And after doing that, we are gonna choose a connection method, and for today's guide we are gonna use the UDP Hysteria. This is working for all countries, so you can browse around. In case you need to choose a different connection method, you can browse along the list and then you pick your connection method, or you can pick your country name in case UDP is not working for you. But UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. If your country supports UDP, the option of UDP Hysteria, it will definitely work for you, and you'll be able to enjoy a secure and a fast connection via UDP Hysteria settings. And after doing that, you are required to insert the connection. And when you insert the connection, you must tap on the start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And within a few seconds, as you can see right here, the app will be connected. And by doing so, you have successfully set up Kid VPN, and you are able to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And that's how we set up Kid VPN to get a stable and a secure connection when you are using the internet. And that's it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And let's meet in the next video.